Okay guys, got a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe here. Looks like it's a GDI, doing spark plugs on it, doing a bunch of other stuff too. I'll put a link in the description for those videos, but this just pops up. You're gonna pry it off, and then we've already started this to make the video a little quicker. Unclip the clip to your coil pack, take off your 10mm bolt, and then pull out your spark plug. So we've already unthreaded the spark plug. I'm just gonna stick a magnet in there and pull it out. Maybe it needs threaded out just a hair more. That never works.
Never does.
And if you need the part number, let me see. Actually, I don't have it on here. If you need the part number, I'll put a link in the description. Oh, here we go. XP5702. And the NGK number is 11. So, oh yeah, it looks like that one was burning a little bit hot. A little lean. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nice and white on top. And then we're just going to do the same thing. Put them back in, thread it down, tighten up, pop the coil in, 10mm bolt, put the clip on it, and back together. So let's get the other three. Okay, so that's it. One by one, he put them all in, popped all the new coil packs back in, and then you can see there's all the old plugs. And you can see the little tits here where that pulled off of, and this just snaps right back down on, right on top of those. So I think that makes sense. Pretty self-explanatory. So we'll get that pot back on, and then we will get to the other items, the brakes and such. But I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.